Peace. Thank you for watching. So go check out my Instagram and my Snapchat for behind the scenes. And also press that notification bell so you can get notified every time I post. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Okay, so for my lips, I'm using this Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the shade Muse. Just gonna line my lips. Oh Lord, I need some chapstick. Okay, so I'm gonna outline my lips. Oh shoot, I can't actually outline my lips. Okay, this looks so weird. I'm looking at my list and I gotta put my lashes on. Lord help me in this video because I don't know what the heck this is going on. Okay, so like officially like 100%, I'm going to be posting Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays, and Fridays, so 4 days out of the week. So it can give me like the weekend and Monday to like kind of regain myself, if that makes sense. So right now I'm putting glue on my lashes. Really, I just blinked. That's a horrible job, like what the heck? Like this video has been like only 5 minutes. I'm gonna have to wait until that dry. So the next thing on my list is my highlight. Okay, so yeah, next is my highlight. And I'm getting my Anastasia and Breezy. This is weird because I don't ever put highlight directly like on my skin. Like I usually have something, you know, a base if you would say that. I never put directly on it, and so like it kind of feels weird, but there's like a natural kind of glow almost. Like, I don't know. Ew, like highlight my freaking bump right there. So next is blush. And I'm using my Studio Makeup Loose Blush. So I dip my brush into it and then I get the excess off. Yeah, again, I've never put blush on my regular skin or my bare skin. So the next thing is my lower lash line. Okay, I'm just gonna be basic today and I'm gonna use my 3502. This pretty baby right here. And I'm going to go in with that orange and I'm going to just place that and blend that on my lower lash line. This is all going to be covered up with my foundation. Like, what's the point of doing this? Kind of blend that all the way out. I'm going to go in with this tan color right there. And, you know, just blend that out some more. Okay, I'm done doing that because that actually hurts. So next on my list is powder. Why put powder on and I don't have any concealer? So I'm going to get my beauty blender and I'm going to just dab. Okay. Eye powder. So like I don't know how I, you know, feel about this because this is so awkward. Okay, so I'm gonna get my brush and dust this off. Next is my concealer. Great. I'm going in with Too Faced Born This Way concealer, super coverage, in the shade light beige. You know. Gotta highlight my nose. Dude, I went to Post Malone's concert in Dallas June 14th. It was literally the best. One day I should do a look of like his albums or whatever. And you know, just show some of the clips and the pictures that I took. Like honestly, Post Malone, you should hire me as your photographer in the concert because I took some bomb photos. I'm just saying. But yeah, maybe I should do that. It was so fun. And hopefully I'm gonna go to his festival. This looks so weird because this looks so weird. Like Like, look, you're covering up my freaking highlight and like all my hard work. Like, there's no point. I think my concealer's too white for me, to be honest. Ew, because it got me a little tan. Not that big of a tan, but I did get a little tan. This looks so weird. Oh my gosh, my dogs won't shut up. Okay, I give up because this. So next is my foundation. Going in with my other beauty blender. Oh, my eyebrows. I can't do my eyebrows with. Oh, this is so bad. So bad. Like, it's looking kind of good, you know, because I'm covering it up with my foundation and all. But, like, when it comes to my eyebrows, it's going to mess the whole look. Okay, so the eyeshadow that I'm doing today is a cut crease. So, you know, I would usually, you know, put some shadow down and then cut it. Well, hello, it's the reverse challenge, so I'm gonna cut it and then blend, if that makes sense. So, I'm going to use some glitter. I'm gonna use this NYX glitter. I don't know what the shade, like, it has a shade. Oh, I found the shade. Oh. It's called Dubai Bronze by NYX. So I'm gonna open that up, put some glitter in the top, gonna get my glitter primer, and I'm going to put it in this is my makeup palette. I'm gonna put it in my makeup palette. I'm going to use this flat Morphe brush, dip it into this glitter primer, and I'm just going to cut. And I'm going to use this pencil brush to apply the glitter on my lid. Holla back, girl. I actually like this, like nothing but the glitter on the lid. And what I'm going to do is like do a cut crease to where it's like this, but like it be more glitter right here, and as it goes out it like be less and less. Ooh, girl, kill it. Going to do my other eye because I don't like this. It looked better in my head. Just the why did I do this eye? Like, just the glitter alone. Okay, no. I'm gonna add some more glitter primer. Like, I'm having so much trouble. Like, I'm so indecisive about things. It's really ridiculous. Now that's cute. Even though it's extra, it's cute. Oh, I like this. The vibes of the abstractness that is given off. Like, it's like, why didn't you do this? I want to leave it like this because I like it. I'm going to do a liner even though it is totally like not even like in the steps that I wrote down, or like I was supposed to do the liner before the glitter. But you know, let's break the rules a little bit because I like this. Like, oh, I think I just messed this whole thing up. It's so ugly now. I can't decide if I want to leave it like this. I'm going to because, you know, screw it. This looks already going to look horrible once I do my eyebrows. Okay, so time to do my eyebrows. This part's depressing. Going in with my Anastasia dip brow and gonna brush these babies out. And as long as I got hair right there anyways. Then, oh, my eyebrows seriously look horrible. I didn't realize that until now. Like, I'm feeling the vibe of the like all glitter, like, yes ma'am. Here go my eyebrows doing whatever they want to again. Okay. So I'm gonna get my concealer, put it on my hand, and I'm going to get this flat angled brush and shape my eyebrows, which I don't want to, but I need to. Really, one's like so thin and the other one is like the perfect size. Okay, this actually doesn't look bad to be like the reverse challenge or whatever you want to call it. I mean, I kind of didn't. So, continue watching. Hey YouTube, it's your girl aishadelley, and today's video is the reverse challenge, so